Hello friends, welcome back. We were discussing about operators and we came to know about arithmetic operators and assignment operators in the last two video classes. Now let's learn about comparison operators. So as its name says comparison, so it will be used to compare between two values, and the basic comparisons operators are, let me delete all these things first. Okay, so the basic comparison operators are 2 equals to signs, then we have 3 times equals to, then we have a greater than sign, then a less than sign, then we have not equals to, then we have greater than or equals to, or we have smaller than or equals to. So these are the operators in comparison operators. So let's learn about them. First of all, we have double equals to sign here. It is used to compare between two values. We have one equal to sign in assignment operators, so we cannot use it here. To compare between two values, we use double equal to sign. For example, we have something like a is equals to b. This will check whether a is equal to b or not. If they are equal, it will return true, and if they are not equal, then it will return false. As simple. For example, I have like variable a which is equals to 5, then I have variable b which is equals to 10. Now I am using variable a is equals to variable b or not. So it will check using this comparison operator whether the value of a is equals to the value of b or not. As these two variables are not equal, so it will return me false value. So if I change it to become equal, so I just change it to have b is equals to 5, then this time they are equal, so I am gonna get true value in this case. Okay, moving towards next operator, which is triple equals to sign. Okay, now in this case it is quite similar but with one additional feature. If I write like a is equals to b, 3 times equals to, add a space here. Okay, then in this, if it will first check whether the value of a and b are equal or not, then it checks whether their data types is same or not. If both comes out to be true, then it returns true value, and else it will give you a false value for all the cases. So what's the difference between these two? The basic difference is that in double equals to, it checks the value, but in triple equals to sign, it checks whether the value as well as the data type. I will tell you later, so don't worry about it. For the next, for just now, concentrate on comparison operators. For example, if I have like a variable a is equals to 10, and I have variable b is equals to 10.0, which is a float value. So variable a is equals to 10 is an integer value, and variable b is equals to 10.0 is a float value. And if I write a is equals to b, then I'm gonna get true value because I'm using 2 equals to sign, and this time it's not checking the data type of the variables. But if I change it to the 3 times of equals to, then I'm gonna get a false value because a is equals to b, that's true, but the data type of a is not equals to the data type of b. A is an integer value and b is a float value, so in this case I'm gonna get a false value. Now rest of comparison operators are very simple. Greater than checks if first value is greater than second or not. Then converse is applicable with less than sign. It will check whether the first value is smaller than second value or not. Then I have not equal to, in which both the values should not be equal. Then I have greater than or equals to or less than equals to, which are as same as greater than and less than. The only difference adds up that when value comes out to equal, it will count them as true. For example, we can write like variable a is equals to 10 and variable b is equals to also 10. Then if I write a is greater than equals to b, okay, So this will gives me, it will gives true value here because A is greater than equals to B. So to learn more about them, we need control structure. We use control statement with comparison operator to decide the flow of our program. Okay, now in the next in the list is logical operators, and we will cover up this part in the next video class. Thanks for watching.